What is up, y'all? This is your girl, Goldmouth, and I am coming to you guys today. I'm so excited to show y'all this new product that I received. This is the world's first and only reverse hair dryer, and it's called the Revair dryer. So this is an unboxing of today's product, and right here I have the bag that it comes in, the storage bag. And guys, let me tell you about this packaging, y'all. This is some of the best packaging I done seen in a minute, y'all. I mean, they got everything all detailed and things. Say this right here is like the accessory pack. It comes with a spray bottle, and it's branded with their logo that says Rev Air. And I have one of these bottles already, so I know this is a good 360 spray bottle. And right here we got some hair clips, and also we have in this bag right here is a mesh bag. It's actually an accessory bag, and this right here is a filter to go inside the actual Rev Air, and that is another accessory bag. And inside that first accessory bag is like one of those hair wraps that you know dry your hair with. And this right here is a real very good, like it feels like a rubbery texture wide tooth comb. Okay, y'all, so now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this thing. This right here, y'all, first of all, look at it. It says hello beautiful. Yes, hey boo, how you doing? Okay, and the box has got it, so you know they look colors of whatever, it's green and black, and it look all good and stuff. So this dryer right here is kind of big, y'all, so excuse me while I get into this. Okay, so right here, hello beautiful. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Okay, wham, it says open me. Okay, and it got a little open and scan code where you can scan it so you can learn about the dryer if you know, maybe if you lost your directions or whatever. And it says rev it, love it, and share it. I think that's what it said before the camera went off. Anyhow, yeah, share it. Okay, my hashtag my Revair. Okay, so here we go, y'all. This right here is the actual part that sucks down like your hair that you would hold or put on your head, and it got is wrapped out nice, y'all, with a little stocking cap on it, child. And this right here is the actual machine. Now they said this is the upgraded version because the older version, if you have ever purchased this product like back in the day or whatever before they upgraded it, your Rev Air is bigger. So now this is the new and improved version of a less bulky Rev Air. I can't wait to try this, y'all. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So up under here, they got some more goodies up under this box. And the goodies right here, that right there is a clip to go inside the base of the, you know, the part that blow dry your hair so you can hold the wand with. And this right here is a big tube that connects it all together. Connects the wand to the actual the base part of the machine. And it also comes with 2 instruction booklets, you know, so you can read and see, you know, how to work this thing. Okay, y'all, so I done read over the instructions in this thing to, you know, how to put it together, whatnot, and it's real simple. It don't take a rocket scientist to snap and twist. That's all it is. You snap it and you twist it. Now this part right here, this is the base with the end of this one go, and up under there is that's a filter like thing, and that other piece that I showed you that was a filter, it go in there, but I forgot to put it in there, but I will in a minute off camera. But all you do is put it in there, make sure it's in there the right way, and you twist the knob at the top and it's locked. It's cool. Just make sure it's locked and you good to go. Now this right here is a little, it's like a handle to hold the one piece, like when you in between drying sessions of your hair, you can set it down somewhere, and that's where you set it at. And the one right here, all you got to do is clip it together, and it's a little lock and unlock switch on that side. Make sure it's turned to lock, and you know you got it together. Now all you have to do right there is rest it on the little handle, and you can put the handle on either your right or your left side, it depending on if you right or left handed. You feel me? So now it's together, and it's small, but it's not as small as a regular blow dryer, because guess what? It's not a regular blow dryer, sis. So act like you know. Okay, y'all. So now I'm showing you guys the carrying case that it comes with. This needs a carrying case, so I'm glad that it came with one, because it's kind of you know, it's bulky if you ain't got nowhere to put it. So this case, sorry, it really comes in handy. So this side pocket, I ain't sure what go well. I didn't read the instructions on what go well, so I'm just putting two and two together, and I figure I'll put the handle part in that side pocket and roll this cord here up, and the tube. This is what your hair go down. If you got real long hair, your hair is gonna go down this tube, friend. Okay, so y'all follow the instructions in the manual. Okay, this right here is the base, and I should have put that at the bottom. Yeah, leave it to me to put stuff in the wrong way, but hey, if it fit, it fit. Okay, so I'm put that in at the bottom, and I'm gonna get the cord, tube, or whatever you want to call it, and put that in on top of it, and it fits. Okay. And now all you gotta do is, if you got one of those cubey things, I say it's about 12 by 12 or 10 by 10, one or the other. I think it's about 12 by 10 from the looks of it. But it can store in one of those cubes. You can put it on your dresser, anywhere you got, you know, some space for it, you know, but it got its own little bag, and you ain't gotta worry about nothing. And all the accessories fit in there too. You ain't gotta worry about them. They got a little accessory bag, and just put it all in there and put it in the box, and everything, no, take it out the box and put it in the bag, and everything gonna fit in there. Okay. So y'all stay tuned to my channel, because I'm gonna be using this thing, and we're gonna see how I do my hair. Okay, I appreciate y'all for being here. Thank y'all so much for watching. That's all I got to say in this video, and I will holler at y'all later. Bye.